Alright, thought, because I haven't done this in a while, since the Enjomor is going to get put back on the shelf, we gotta get it ready, so I'm just going to pop my fuel line off. And there, hopefully the camera went back to autofocus for this. And just pour that, yep. And we're almost out of fuel, that's why it died when I went to clean the flywheels off. But remember, I put black electrical tape and the reflector on there for my RPM measurements, and that got loose and was flapping off, so I peeled it off. And I'm going to pull this out of frame and dump the water out of the top. And then pull the batteries out. And now the oil does drip down into the gap here on the box lid, because these guys are, you know, total loss oil, so they just spew oil everywhere. But now with the fuel line out and the carb needle open, so that when the drop of fuel in here dries up, it doesn't clog the jet. You wipe it off with a rag, and it'll be ready to go on the shelf and come back down next time we want to run it. So, but yeah, every time I'm done with these, I drain all the fuel out and I drain all the water out and make sure that they're all clean, because the worst thing, especially for tiny engines, is bad fuel or letting fuel dry up in them.